This is a short slideshow of an upcoming longer video presentation about Hattusa, located in Turkey. And here we see lots of examples of possible lost ancient high technology. Look at those even depressions in this large limestone block. And when you look at a close-up, you see that the depression is very even and has a slight arc to it. And then on the other side, the same thing. And look at the rubble construction just to the left of it. So we're looking at two ages of construction at Hattusa. And also here, at the outer gate, the same depressions that are quite even. And also drill holes. We didn't see two, we saw between 50 and 100 drill holes, and we didn't even cover the entire site on that visit. There's also a long tunnel that was built during the time of the Hittites, large stones, but rough construction. And at the very end, again, a precision drill hole where the hinge would have been. And on the other side as well. So the doors, we don't know what the doors were made of. The doors were made to move in towards the tunnel. Also this giant limestone tub with holes at either end, obviously for drainage. As well, there were a number of these large megalithic blocks with drill holes in them, probably made to connect one to the other. And again, look at the precision of that drill hole. It's in limestone, which isn't really that hard, but it's metamorphosed limestone, so it's harder than normal limestone. And also circular saw marks in granite. The granite actually comes from hundreds of miles away, and the diameter was between 6 and 8 feet. This is another view of that circular saw mark. And again, the idea that these are modern is very highly unlikely. We also saw evidence of flat saw marks as well in the same location in the granite. And also lots and lots of megalithic ancient walls with no mortar in between the stones. These weigh several tons apiece, could be from a local quarry, but they're quite massive. And as you can see, they fit together very tightly with no mortar whatsoever. So upcoming will be a longer video version of our discoveries at Hattusa in Turkey. There was also this large block of nephrite, and no one was able to tell us its origin source. Also, large slabs in the floor, such as this one. Upcoming events. In March of 2020, we'll be going back to Egypt for our annual look at megalithic and dynastic Egyptian sites. Right after that, we'll be going to Israel to look at megalithic aspects and also, of course, the famous biblical locations. Then late May, early June, Contact in the Desert in Indian Wells, California. Then in June of 2020, our annual Inti Raymi Inca celebration, looking at megalithic and Inca sites. In August, our annual Elongated Skulls tour of Peru and Bolivia. And in November, our annual Explore the Mysteries of Peru and Bolivia tour. Thank you for watching.